Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a magic effect in Dreamface. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just press on magic effect. And after that, wait until they will load in. You can press on it, you can select the photo and press on create after that. And you will be able to create it, of course, using this magic effect. Now I cannot do it because I don't have this currency coin to do so, but if you do, you will be able to use it. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.